Welcome back to Homespot. Are you tired of throwing away fallen branches after storm? Today, we are transforming that natural yard waste into stunning rustic farmhouse garden decor. From adorable animal sculptures to functional garden accents, these incredibly easy upcycling ideas will completely elevate your outdoor space. Let's get creative with nature. Bring wonderful character to your garden fence with this adorable handmade owl sculpture. By simply gluing straight dry twigs onto a basic wooden foundation, you can easily create beautiful natural texture. Adding large acorn caps for its wide expressive eyes completes the look. This charming project instantly adds a delightful farmhouse touch to any outdoor space. Transform a quiet garden corner into a magical fairy patch with these stacked with sliced mushrooms. Use thick, rustic branch slices as the sturdy caps and straight fallen twigs as the supporting stems. This enchanting little project brings wonderful woodland whimsy right to your backyard without requiring any complicated tools or expensive carving equipment. Support your climbing ivy or beautiful morning glories with a striking custom starburst trellis. Simply tie several sturdy branches firmly together at the center using heavy-duty twine. Fan the branch ends outward in a brilliant sun shape. This functional garden art effortlessly blends structural support with incredible farmhouse aesthetic appeal for your backyard landscape. Build a majestic standing deer figure that looks absolutely beautiful during the autumn season. Assemble this sculpture using a thicker solid log for the main body and medium straight branches for the sturdy legs. Finish the piece by finding intricately curved twigs to create those impressive natural antlers standing proudly in your lovely garden space. Decorate your boring garden shed walls with this highly creative two-dimensional watering can shape. By gluing various cut twigs onto a flat wooden backing, you can outline the classic silhouette. Incorporate tiny wire-wrapped branch pieces cascading from the spout to brilliantly mimic falling water droplets in this clever farmhouse-style outdoor display. Enjoy the gentle, earthy acoustics of nature with these gorgeous homemade wind chimes. Suspend various different lengths of dry, hollow sounding branches from one thicker horizontal main branch using clear fishing line. Hang this stunning creation on your back patio to catch the afternoon breeze and listen to the relaxing wooden clatter all day long. Instantly elevate your standard terracotta or plastic pots with a gorgeous rustic farmhouse facelift. Carefully cut your fallen branches into perfectly even straight pieces. Use hot glue to attach them vertically around the entire circumference of your old garden containers. This incredibly simple upcycling trick completely transforms plain planters into beautiful natural garden decor. Catch and reflect the gorgeous afternoon sunlight with a beautiful rustic outdoor mirror. Take a simple small round mirror and frame it by meticulously gluing graduated lengths of natural twigs radiating outward. This brilliant sunburst design looks absolutely spectacular when hung on an exterior brick wall or wooden privacy fence in your backyard oasis. Bring a permanent sense of spring to your outdoor walls with this charming wooden butterfly project. Arrange and firmly glue several small, distinct branch pieces into a lovely winged silhouette on a solid reclaimed wood plank. This wonderful piece of rustic art adds immense character and warmth to the side of any plain garden shed. Maximize your vertical growing space while adding classic farmhouse charm with a handmade decorative ladder. Secure several sturdy fallen branches horizontally across two long vertical wooden poles using strong natural sisal rope. Lean it against your porch railing to perfectly display your favorite small hanging potted plants or beautifully trailing garden vine collections. Give your climbing roses or delicious sweet peas a spectacular place to grow with this rustic obelisk. Tie 3 or 4 very long, sturdy branches securely together at the top. Spread the bottom ends out wide to create a tall, stable teepee structure. It provides incredibly strong vertical support while maintaining that beautiful farmhouse aesthetic. Craft a lovable little turtle figure to peacefully rest among your garden border rocks. Find a perfectly rounded piece of thick tree bark or a curved log slice for the main shell. Attach 4 short, chunky branch pieces for its sturdy legs and 1 smoothly rounded twig for the head to complete this adorable project. Illuminate your patio tables during warm summer evenings with beautiful rustic handmade twig lanterns. Build a simple square cage structure using very straight uniform branches and wrap the connecting joints tightly with strong twine. Place a safe battery-operated outdoor candle inside to create a warm, incredibly cozy glow across your entire farmhouse patio. Spread a little love throughout your landscaping with this delicate hanging wooden heart ornament. Gently bend 2 fresh, flexible branches into a graceful, matching heart shape. Tie them securely at the top and bottom points using lovely rustic ribbon. Hang this sweet, simple decoration from a prominent tree branch for an elegant farmhouse touch. Welcome guests to your garden with a gorgeously unstructured and wild asymmetrical twig wreath. Bend and weave thin, freshly fallen branches into a loose, natural circle while intentionally leaving some wild ends sticking out. This beautiful, messy design captures the true, untamed essence of a classic rustic farmhouse aesthetic right on your front door. That wraps up our rustic farmhouse branch decor ideas. We hope these simple upcycling projects inspired you to turn everyday yard debris into beautiful garden art, whether you are crafting whimsical animals or natural trellises. If you enjoyed these creative tips, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to Homespot, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite branch project.